If CapCut is giving you error 4001, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through 3 simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This error is often caused by a weak internet connection, corrupted cache files, or an outdated app version. So before you panic, follow these steps in order and you'll have the best chance of getting CapCut working again without losing your project. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection. CapCut needs a stable connection to load effects, text templates, cloud features, and sometimes even to export properly. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. If you're on mobile data, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. Sometimes the issue is not CapCut itself, but the connection being too weak, too slow, or unstable. You can also try turning airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turning it off again to reset your connection. Once you've done that, reopen CapCut and see if error 4001 is gone. In many cases, this alone can fix the issue immediately. If the error is still showing, the next step is to clear the app cache. Cached files can become corrupted over time, and that can stop CapCut from loading properly. To do this, open CapCut, go to the menu, then tap Settings, and look for cache size. From there, clear the cache. Don't worry, clearing the cache usually does not delete your main projects or your account, but it does remove temporary files that may be causing the problem. After clearing it, fully close the app and reopen it so CapCut can start fresh. This step is especially useful if the app has been lagging, freezing, or showing strange errors for a while. Now, if you're still getting error 4001, the third fix is to update CapCut to the latest version. Using an outdated app version can cause server authentication issues, and that can trigger errors like this one. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for CapCut, and check if an update is available. If you see an update button, install it right away. Once the update is complete, launch CapCut again and test it. Developers often release updates to patch bugs, improve server connection, and fix compatibility issues, so this step is very important. If none of these steps work right away, I recommend trying them again in combination. For example, switch your internet connection, clear the cache, and then update the app if needed. Sometimes error 4001 is caused by more than one small issue at the same time. Also, make sure your phone storage is not completely full, because low storage can sometimes make apps behave unpredictably. Restarting your phone after making these changes can also help refresh the app and your network settings. So to quickly recap, if you want to fix CapCut error 4001, first check your internet connection, then clear the app cache, and finally update CapCut to the latest version. These 3 steps solve the issue for most users and are the safest place to start before trying anything more advanced. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.